We are counting in order from lower or smaller numbers to higher or larger numbers. So, for example, I have the numbers from 0 to 15 written on the board behind me. And so if I count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, I am counting in order from the lower, smaller numbers to the higher or larger numbers. When counting this way, the number one higher is called the next number. When counting 5, 6, and 7, for example, the next number you would count would be the number 8. Previous means the number one lower. So the number previous to 8 is the number 7. You can also say that 8 comes right after 7, or that 7 comes right before 8. They all have a similar meaning, and that is that you either count up or down by 1. You could also say that the immediate neighbor to the right is called the next number, and the immediate neighbor to the left is called the previous number. Let's zoom in a little bit here on just the numbers 1 through 9, and we're going to look at a couple more examples of next and previous. So let's just concentrate here on these numbers between 1 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. What if we were asked to find the next number of 5? We would look at the 5 and we want to know what's the next number. So we're going to look to its immediate right and we'll see that it is the number 6. So the next number of 5 is 6. To find the previous number of 5, so starting at 5, if we are asked to find the previous number, we are going to look to its immediate left. It is the number 4. So the previous number of 5 is 4. Let's find out which is the next number of 7. So we'll go over here to our 7, and we're going to look to the immediate right, and we see that it's the number 8. The previous number of 7, so let's go back to our 7 again, and look at what's the previous number to 7. It's the neighbor immediately to the left, and so it is the number 6.